Hello everyone, I'm Mike and today I'm bringing you a video quickie about a banana charger. Inside the package we have a banana, a plastic one, that has two USB connections. One is a USB female type A connector and the other one is a USB micro B female connector. The USB type A is for you to plug whatever you want to charge, and the USB micro B is for charging the battery. It would be awesome if this was a USB type C, but that would require this product to be somewhat more expensive. This thing comes without battery, so you will have to buy one. It needs to be a 18650 battery, and I'm using a LG HG2. 20 amp 3000 milliamperes per hour battery, which is one of the best batteries of this type in the market. With my battery type and assuming a 20% efficiency loss, it takes between 4 and 5 hours to completely charge it. By the way, while the battery is charging, the LEDs blink between blue and red. The chip inside is the HD4928S with in and out current of 800 milliamperes per hour, and that's what you're getting. If you want or need more than that, then it's better to search for a more expensive product instead. While the circuit is properly designed and it seems to have overcharging, over-discharging and overload protection, keep in mind to keep it safe and not leave the batteries indefinitely charging or charging without supervision. Now let me be extremely clear on something. Be very careful and never plug your battery backwards. This thing does not have reverse voltage protection. That means if you plug your battery backwards, that chip will start smoking. Besides that, this thing is absolutely perfect for its price. Just go get yourself one. If you're ever stranded somewhere and a stranger has absolutely no battery, you don't want to miss the chance of asking them, "Excuse me, would you like to charge your battery with my banana?" Seriously though, love it, go get yourself one. Hope you like this quick demonstration video and don't forget to subscribe for more random content. See you next time.